Well, hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the Zig language. So to start off, head over to your browser and go to ziglang.org. Once you head over there, click Get Started, and I'm going to be using a package manager. Um, I have Alacrity for my terminal, um, and there's this package manager called Scoop for Windows. It's really nice. All you have to do is just copy and paste this into your terminal, and it should just work. Um, so after you do that, open up your favorite editor. I'm going to be using Helix. You guys can use VS Code. So I'm going to CD into my desktop, make a directory called YouTube video 1, CD YouTube. Oh, I called it video 1. That's fine. So now we have to say zig init to actually create a directory with all the files that we need to work with zig. So zig init generates 4 files. Build.zig, basically this is how your project is built. Build.zig.zon is all your dependencies for your project. Main.zig is where your file is. Then root.zig is the root of the project, where there's like testing stuff. So we're gonna erase all of this. So make this bigger. So I say we should start off by doing a hello world. So it's very simple in Zig. All we have to say is declare the const std equals import std, and this is how you import libraries in Zig, or packages, modules. This is the standard library. So now we create pub fn main, which is the main function. Void. The exclamation mark basically signifies that it might return an error. This is not required right now, but I'll explain later why we need this in further videos. Also, to shorten the syntax, we could say const print equals import, import std.debug.print. And now all we have to say is print hello world. And then it does take another argument, and we're just going to say empty. Just going to keep this empty for now. Do zig build run, and we should see hello world. There you go, hello world. Boom. So we're gonna erase all this. Well, actually, I need the main, and I need the print. So assigning variables in Zig. There's 2 types in Zig. There's const and there's var. Const basically indicates that the value is going to be immutable. And var basically indicates that the value is mutable. And let me showcase the difference. So constant, or cons equals, actually I32 equals 5. Then var 32 equals 10. Or let's make this a U64. So the difference between these two is that we could change this value. So we can do like variable plus equals 1, variable minus equals 1, stuff like that. This is a type annotation, basically. This is not required. Your compiler can guess the type. This will work as well. You see it's a compile time int basically, but I like to declare the types. So both of these are not used, and Zig basically will not let you compile if any variable is unused. It's another plus of the language. So I guess we could do so the formatter for number is D, and then cons, and then we do dot. Sorry, I'm still getting used to the language. It's like 3 in the morning. So here we're gonna say var. There you go. We were able to add to this variable, and we can't add to cons, obviously. We could also create a variable that points to undefined. And this is basically an undefined variable that has no value. It's not set to any value. Here we go. So arrays in Zig are very similar to C, I guess. We're gonna call this R. It's gonna hold 5. Let's do I's. I don't know. I32. And then we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can loop over this for X, for array, and then we closure in X. Yeah. You can print out now. It's a decimal. Do array plus, I don't know, plus 1, I guess. It said that I'm not using X. Oh yeah. There you go. Okay, so let's save this and boom. We get 2, 3, 4. Why is there no spaces in between? Set a new line formatter. Boom. So we get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Without mutating it as well. So this is kind of looping over arrays. We're going to go over strings and other things later in other videos. So thanks everyone for watching. Sorry that I've been missing. And you enjoy your day.